guys, welcome back to my channel.
Yeah.
This is a highly requested video. You guys are always like, you guys ask and I deliver.
Okay.
I'm not gonna lie, like I change up my makeup routine like slightly every single month because I find new products. Wow, I look really good when I shut up. Like, let's be so for real right now. Hold on, let me be quiet. Put some music over it. Wow, I look so good. Anyways, okay, sorry. Yeah, honestly, like whenever I do my makeup, I don't go out these days without my colored contacts. So hence I would like to introduce the sponsor of today's video, Moodylenses. Like they just have a variety of different sort of contacts and it suits whatever style you're going for. I think they just take inspiration from like a diverse range of moods. The current contacts I'm wearing right now are these Teenage Daydream Hazed Haven. And this one's basically has a small diameter, which creates like a very natural transition to like gray eyes. And honestly, these are very comfortable, especially because I wear prescription contacts. Because I know like some contacts, it really dries my eyes out or something I can't see clearly, but these, I can see very clearly in them. Alright guys, this is me without contacts. Okay, now I'm currently wearing these ones. The Moody Classic Tender Brown. This one gives me more of like the feel of like a soft, warm honey brown gaze. And I think this color really complements like my natural eye color. And Moody also has like the Hush Hush collection. And also I'm just very impressed by their design concept. And this collection is just really designed to allow you the courage and also like the freedom to step out of your comfort zone. The last one I'm trying on right now, let me give you a close up. So I'm currently wearing these, the Hush Hush Breeze contacts. These are like the metallic color highlights and it really just adds like this glittering uniqueness to your gaze. Those contacts really give me like an entire vibe change. So Moody Lenses, they're manufactured in South Korea and Taiwan and they're FDA and CE approved. So yeah, I highly recommend you guys to check out Moody Lenses as well. Feel free to use my code for all color contacts on moodylenses.com, which I will link their website and all of the contacts I've tried in the description box below. And once again, thank you Moody Lenses for sponsoring this video. Anyways, let's get on with the makeup tutorial. And you guys know I usually do not get pimples. I know that's a major flex, but here, you see it? It just has to be today. Like today I'm filming a makeup tutorial. She was like, okay, we're gonna give you a little pimple right here. I have already put on skincare, moisturizer, whatever, sunscreen. After you have put on your moisturizer, this is what I do. All my products, I'm gonna link it right here, okay? I don't wear foundation. I only recently started getting into skin tints. Just feel like foundation is too heavy, at least for me. I mix these two shades because I just think they're better. I take some of this serum thing and I just put it here, 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 and just blend it out. One, the shade is a little different. It's a little bit paler. And I just think like mixing these two are the perfect shade. And mix these two together. Take your beauty blender and just like blend it. Make sure to wet it because if you don't wet it, it's not gonna work well. Also guys, I'm also super jet lagged right now. Literally, I woke up at 6 a.m. I literally went to the gym. Dude, my arm hurts from blending. Is the lighting good? I swear to God, the lighting better be freaking amazing right now. Swear to God, I swear to God. And okay, next I go in with concealer, but I just put it here. Since we have a pimple, I'm gonna show you. I'm just put like a little dot. Like don't put too much because when you put too much, it doesn't look right. Like have this like dry on the spot for a little bit. Blend, blend, blend. And I kind of just use like the rest of it kind of just right here. Okay, once this is done, just use your finger and kind of just dab it. Be honest, can you see my pimple? I'm not a makeup guru, so if any of you guys are gonna comment shit like,
Oh my god, you're doing your makeup wrong.
that's it. I'm deleting the video. I am deleting the entire video if you guys say anything like that. Next, I go with powder. I use like a blush powder. I'm literally hitting the pan of this one. Just take a big brush. I don't really care which one I use, but I kind of like using this one and the purple one and just put it over your eye. This is where I put it because I like when my brows and my eyes are a bit drier. So like when I put on the eyeshadow, it goes on evenly. And then I put some on the pimple. And then I put some like here. Kind of put some on my cheeks as well. I use like a light blush powder as my setting powder, I guess. Especially the brows too. So yeah, there you have it. This just, I don't know, this just sets everything. It just sets everything together. Next we contour, okay? Literally look at all that color. I mainly just use this one right here. So what I do is that I mainly put it here and put it on my brow here. I mainly just contour this part of my face, my eyes. I don't like contour the rest of my face. Here, I don't contour here. When you do your makeup, make sure that there's a purpose. Make sure that actually makes a difference. Don't do something just because other people are doing it. There's a difference on my face, right? Okay. Oh crap, I need to, oh my god, I am such a bad freaking, I literally forgot. One of the most important steps is that, after I put on like the blush powder, I usually go with like a blush color first. I kind of just put it on the center of my cheeks, my nose, and my eyes, under my eyes, and then my chin. So yeah, that's like very important. I like putting on blush first because I feel it really just sets the foundation. Put some on my forehead. I think this is already kind of like a makeup look. I can literally just go out like this. Can you see the blush? Can you see the moment? But yeah, love this color, bro. Okay, next we go into eyeshadow. eyeshadow. Like this like a muted peachy color. I'm just gonna like put it all over my lids. I'm gonna use like a big fluffy blending brush and just put it here. I put it all the way to my brow bone and then bring it down a little bit. Slay!
Slay.
Anyways, next we go in with like a more focused brush. I'm gonna take like this redder color right here. Focus on the lash line. Bring it down a little just to, I don't know, like build dimension to my eyes. This is like literally... Next, take like this darker color. Just take like a little bit of it and I just like take it onto the outer corner of my eye. It builds dimension. Okay. I think that's good. What am I saying? What am I saying? Shut up. Literally be quiet. Yeah. I like using like thin brow pencils. Brush your brows up. I shave my brows down if you can tell. I personally think that thinner brows just look better on me. Yeah, let's do this. Okay. And then I just kind of like brush up the front. I just kind of fill my brows in. Like there's no specific way that I do this. Fill her in. Slay, slay, slay. How are we looking? How are we looking? Yeah. Okay, next we tightline. Where does she go? Where does she go? Where does she go? You know, I'm just gonna use it, whatever. It just gives you like a fuller lash line effect, okay? I'll show you. So what I do is just... And I kind of wing it out a little bit as a guide for my eyeliner later. You can see that there's a drastic difference between this side and this side. Better if you hold your mirror like really low. And then wing her out. There's a difference. Is there not a difference? Next we curl our lashes. Guys, I literally just forgot another step because I'm just fucking stupid like that. This goes back into the contouring of the eyes. I line my eye bags. One stroke. One stroke. Then you line the inside of your eye. I line like here. And then I kind of like line my double eyelid as well. Next, we go in with mascara. Always use waterproof mascara, okay? Especially for our straight Asian lashes. Instead of putting your thing like this, apply to the tips first. Don't put it on the roots, put it on the tips first. And then you're gonna go through the roots. So I used the 99 Dream ones. I remember back then, it used to take me like an hour to apply these. Now it literally takes me 2 minutes. Get yourself one of these, an L-shaped tweezer. If you wanna do individual lashes, you need to get one of these. Take some glue, put it on the tray, like a little bit of it. So this is like your little puddle that you're gonna dip into. Usually put 4 and 4 on each side. I grabbed the longest one. Basically grab her and just take it off. Make sure the glue is on the top of the lash. Hold her like this and you can see how it's like this, right? So you can put it on your lash like this. Something very important is that you need a mirror. Make sure you're looking down. I'll usually put this in the middle of my eye. What I do is that I just look down, comb the glue through the lashes and then just put her on. And then I'll like gently like push it up and then I'll clamp it with my real lashes. So here we have one. Sometimes I will put like the longest one, a shorter one, and the shortest one on the outside. But sometimes I will do like long in the middle, short here, short, and then a longer one in the outer part. You can experiment and see what you want to do. Grab another lash, dip her in the little puddle. I'm gonna hold her down, hold her like this, and put it on the other eye. Ah! See, sometimes you mess up. Make sure you're attaching it to your lashes, not your skin. I'm gonna put you guys a little closer just so you guys can see better. You know, like when you put glue on the lash, you wait for this. I think the piece is just so tiny that you don't really need to wait. Honestly, this just takes practice, guys. Like, I'm aware that I'm doing this pretty fast, but it's like I've been doing this for a while. And here you can see I have 4 lashes on. At the end, when I'm done with it, I clamp the falsies with my real lashes. I don't know if you noticed, but I've been using like brown black liners because I just feel like that's less harsh. I like doing a straight liner. And again, this takes practice. Like, you have to go with like how your eyes naturally look. And I think getting a Q-tip really helps, which I'm going to show you. Not downward because that's going to make your thing slanted. Look straight up. I like putting this first line very straight. Let me show you. So kind of like straight. And then I connect it from this inner part and I connect it out, making your eyes look more full. So I'll kind of just close my eyes and kind of just like wing it out from the middle. Yeah, kind of like that. Again, I make it really straight. And then I connect it from the middle to the outside. Before we clean up, another thing that I do is that I line the inner part of my eyes just a little bit, not too much. Kind of like that. Just a little bit, you see? Because like I feel like with the ones I get from like CVS or Walgreens, they're not as condensed as this. Use your spit, whatever. Kind of just clean up the bottom part. I do that, like just clean up the bottom part right here. This is how the eyes look now. Use an angled brush, and I'm just gonna use like a darker shade right here. Just gonna line this bottom part right here. Builds up more dimension. And then I just use a little bit in the center of my eye bag right here. Just a little bit. It's a different angle brush. And I use like a lighter shade. Highlight like the middle part, the eye bag right here. Sometimes like when I'm done with my lashes and stuff, I'll just be like, oh my god,
My face looks a little pale.
I'll add in more blush, fluffy brush, whatever it is, and I'll go in with the blush. I'll just put it on the top of my lid sometimes, you know, because I like that blushed look. And I put it on the bottom of my eyes as well, my nose. But yeah, kind of like that. Next, I'll also put on some glitter. I like using this little glitter right here. Put it on the middle part of my eye. Just a little bit. Left over just a little bit here. Don't need too much. I'll put on like towards my nose bridge a little. Blend it with my fingers. And then I'll put some right here. On my own. And next we go in with highlighter. I just put it here. I don't usually use highlighter for my highlight because I just think that it can look a little too much. I just kind of like it when my highlighter looks natural. Kind of like that. You see that? I like putting some on my brow bone as well. And I put some on my nose right here. Right here. Put some on my cupid's bow. Put some on my chin. Okay guys, that is it for my makeup tutorial. What did you guys think? Was it helpful? Was it good? Did you guys like it? Am I a makeup guru now? Not me literally forgetting the steps as I go. No, but come on. This was not that bad of a makeup tutorial, right? You guys better be like, this is the best makeup tutorial ever. Just lie, bro. Don't hurt my feelings. Like, I know it wasn't that good, but like, just lie. Say it's the best ever. Yeah, that's it for my makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I made it for you guys. I will see you guys all next week with a vlog from Japan. And for those who don't know, I came back from Japan, okay? So now I'm going to edit the footage. I was in Japan for 2 weeks. Hopefully I can edit all of that into one vlog. So for those of you guys who like long vlogs, you guys are in for a treat. Yeah. Anyways, okay, I will see you guys all next week. And until then, have an amazing rest of your week, okay? Love you guys. Bye.